Hi, welcome to next episode of BP Quick Tips. Today we're gonna find out if your old router is 5G capable. Let's find out. Today's tip is really affordable because it doesn't require you to make any modifications to your existing hardware. But let's make it easier and prepare some accessories. Bunch of zip ties and a smartphone, probably Android one. Now attach your smartphone to the router using zip ties. I don't think it's safe, but it's cheap. Should be enough. Now let's launch application to make measurements. Okay, and now let's shake the device as fast as you can. That's enough. Oh, the results are breathtaking. Look at this. 5G is here and we somehow managed to reach even 7.65G in this point, and the peak is about, whoa, even more than 9G. Impressive results. Thank you very much for letting us find a solution to your problems again. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.